नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदी नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनिवासी विष्णुविलासी जिष्णुनुते ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि
Interesting because I was active in my all fields. It may be studies, it may be sports, it may be the binding between the family and somehow to have a very good binding between the family members. Always life is not about what we accept, because every time we have to face many challenges in our childhood. Right, today also we are facing the problems, but my teachers taught me how to overcome, and everything you have to accept it, you have to chase it, and then you have to get it. They taught me that. That was the basic foundation for me in my career. Coming from urban areas and adjusting in rural areas, it is very difficult, because there the standard of living is different in urban areas, and here the location is different, here the standard of people is different. It was a very goosebumps if I remember that day also, because what my dream was, I wanted to take my husband to metros and I wanted to settle there only. But in my family, the family was very traditional family. In-laws were very traditional. They didn't allow me outside for jobs and all. Even I got selected in many best MNCs, but the platform was not there for me in my family. So unwillingly I entered this agriculture field. And agriculture field is a very practical field, because sitting in AC room we can't expect the salaries in lakhs together. Here we have to expose ourselves in all seasons. It may be winter, it may be summer, it may be rainy season. After exposing ourselves in a very rigid manner, then only we can expect some profit in agriculture, because I know what exactly the agriculture after entering in this, because first I was not knowing the ABCD of agriculture. The land given to me was totally barren land, nothing was growing there, and the temperature was up to 45, no water resources. Till today I have only 1.5 inches of water. In that I am surviving 8,000 trees in 8 acres. In that 2,500 sandalwood and 1,000 teak and 600 mango, 600 guava, 600 custard apple, 300 black jamun, 100 amla, 100 drumstick, 100 curry leaf, and 100 nimbu, 100 more is kankambi. And along with this I have done sheep, cattle rearing and poultry, everything I am running. But from running my own nurseries, and today I feel very proud to say that my nurseries are running over throughout India, all states of India. So I am very happy to introduce myself as a, even along with the woman farmer, I am a very best entrepreneur in agriculture today. I feel very proud to say this. And the challenges what I have faced in agriculture, they are very hard, because my journey was very rocky. Nothing was very smooth in my way, because doing everything, because I was not knowing anything, because in my mother's place I didn't did anything. But here now I am doing everything, milking the cows, going with the sheep, and doing each and every work in farm. It may be planting the tree, spraying the our Dashaparani, Panchagavya and Saptadanya, because mine is organic farm. What all I am doing it organically. Now the farmers are doing hard work, taking 2 bullocks, taking the plow, taking tons together, fertilizers, insecticide, and taking 100 laborers along with them. They are doing much efforts and all, but at the last what they are achieving, they are not expecting even the expected income what they deserve to be. We are small landholders, so for them what I have planned, even if you have 1 acre, horticulture, whereas your agriculture in horticulture income come from yearly ones. It may be mango, it may be guava, it may be your drumstick, it may be custard apple. What all fruits you are getting season wise. That means season wise you are getting the salary. When that season of that fruit will come, you are getting the salary. The income is like salary. And of course at the age of 45 to 50 years, when the farmer can't put his potential agriculture field, because that time he'll be not having that potential. So that time the sandalwood will hold you, because the existing price of sandalwood according to the government rate of Karnataka that is 10,000 rupees per kg. From per tonnage, it will be 1 crore. From each acre, you can expect minimum 4 to 5 tons. That means you'll be having the ownership of 5 to 6 crores. That time, what happened? This is the sustainable agriculture where the farmer has to be sustained, because yearly, monthly is getting salary, and 15 days once with his milking and all, he is getting 15 days once salary. When he'll go for vegetables and all, that time weekly once he'll get the salary. And when if he'll go for floriculture, day by day he's getting the salary. Like this, my suggestion to them is, you have to divide the sources of income and you have to reduce the cost of cultivation. This is the smart work farmer supposed to do. And regarding this farming, if any sort of knowledge or information is required, at the end of the session, madam will give you my number. I'll tell you how to do the smart work in agriculture along with monthly salary, and at the end of 45 to 50 years, you must get the pension or else fixed deposit. That is, I told the sand load. And in that, I have mentioned the animal husbandry also. If you'll go with sheep and all, even if you have 4 sheep, I'm not telling 50 to 100 sheep. If you'll start right from 4 sheep also, after selling 4 sheep, you'll get minimum 10,500 to 11,000, because I've sold it for that rate only recently, 2 months back. I got 50,000. In that, we can celebrate our Deepavali, even Navaratri, anything we can celebrate. And even in that 50,000, please bring half tola of gold to your wife or else your daughter or else your mother, and bring 5 resham sarees. And if the amount left, please you also purchase the dhoti and kurta. We don't have any problem with the farmers, but please, our the women are Lakshmis. Please first you satisfy them, because if she is satisfied, automatically everything will be under satisfaction only. That is my request to all farmers, because please think over of your wife and kids, because as a farm woman, what I have faced, it may be the problem of all women, because this is not the voice of one Kavita Mishra, this is unheard voice of many Kavita Mishras. Please do justice with all women farmers and their kids. That yes, that it was a turning point of my life, ma'am, because totally we are 3 sisters. 2 of them are working in Bangalore, and my kids, whenever I used to work in agriculture field, whenever I used to promote my agriculture career, my kids were not happy with me. Sometimes they told us, why you give birth to us to give such a worst life. But that day I cried a lot, and I thought, why my daughter told me this. So 3 months I didn't eat anything, I didn't slept, I was not happy at all. I thought that daughter should come and tell me what the agriculture field you have entered. It is a proud moment for me that she should tell me. So I started thinking little bit different. If you dedicate 100%, it is a best business rather than the occupation. What I felt, hard work, taking the trainings and all. Now I am getting the very best seedlings, because the sandalwood have much mortality. Now I am making my own nurseries with very lowest mortality, because even if I'll give 1,000 plants, even 5 to 10 will also not die. Like that, I am maintaining my own standard of nurseries by using Dashaparani, Panchagavya, Saptadanya. I am doing totally organic. And today I am running my nurseries not only in Karnataka, even I am giving it to the other states also. The feedback is very fine. And because of this only, I have been, daughter came and told me, Mummy, I feel very proud to say that you are my mother. And even I will do the work what you are doing more than this, because you are my model and you are my inspiration, Mummy. When she told me, that was the very unforgettable moment of my life, because all farmers, because this is not the situation which has come in Kavita Mishra's life. Many the farmers' daughters and sons have asked this question to their parents when they were very even I'm not feeling like speaking also, because that day used to come in every farmer's life. That time we can't give answer to our kids also, because they'll be not having the knowledge and they'll be not having the experience. They'll ask very rudely the very rude questions to the parents. Now this is the time when my daughter came and told me, You are the role model for me, mummy. So I'll accept this. That was the very unforgettable moment of my life. So today, along with the farm woman, I feel very proud to say that I am a women entrepreneur in agriculture, and I thank my daughter giving me the gift to my life when she asked that question to me.